All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Roku, okay? ROKU. And we're looking at the weekly chart right now. So I got some things shown up because I wanted you guys to understand what's been going on, okay? So this kind of oval right here is just meant to focus your attention on this nice M pattern, okay? So we had an M pattern we had up here, come back down, come back up, and then we formed a nice M, okay, off of the support level at 225.31. All right, so that's what that is basically. Now, currently we have a descending wedge, right? And it's trying to break out of it on the weekly chart. It's just testing it right now. Um, but this is basically a bullish pattern, okay? So if we see a breakout above here, we could have like a nice bullish breakout. And we would face resistance up at 304.61. It did bounce very nicely at the bottom of this trend line, at the bottom of this descending wedge. And, it rallied really, really hard the other day. And then again, the other day it did that as well. So Roku's been doing some nice things. It's been showing some nice signs of potential. If we zoom in a little bit closer to like the daily chart, for instance, all right, you can see, it recovered pretty well, and now it's kind of trading flat right now. If we can hold the support level 225.1, basically, if we can hold that as a support level, and then break past this trend line right here from the weekly chart, then I think that we could have a nice little breakout and potentially go up to 304.61. Roku is going to be a really good, I think, a really good long-term swing trade. Okay. In my opinion, okay, it's not financial advice. I'm just, your friend trying to put you guys on some game, help you guys chart some things up. The reason being is that I think advertising companies will do pretty well in 2022. They've been beat up pretty hard. Things like Roku, Snapchat even, right? So Roku looks pretty good, as far as trying to find a bottom. Okay, we if we go back to the weekly chart, okay, we have some strong support levels here at 225 and 169. So if we do drop below 225, we could head all the way down to 169. But I think that potentially we're looking at a breakout right here. Now, one thing to remember that happens with the breakout, okay, is we may have a breakout, have a nice bullish day or two, and then drop and come back down. And if we retest the purple trend line, then that's all it is a retest. Okay, so you have a breakout, you have a retest, and then from your retest, if you go up, then you have your confirmation. Okay, so sometimes it's not always just a smooth break, and then there's no down. After that, it's just straight up, 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 up. Yeah, that happens sometimes, but a lot of times, you have your breakout and then you come back and you retest and confirm your breakout. So be wary of that. If you're entering any day trades, make sure to take your profits, and your swing trades, make sure to take your profits. And if you're looking to do kind of like a long hold or a long swing, I definitely like some positions between 225 and 169. I think that if you hold on to those for like 6 months to a year, you should see some nice profit on Roku, given that everything but the company is going well. Okay, and Roku doesn't just go bankrupt or whatever. So that's basically wraps it up. Just wanted to cover Roku quickly. We've been killing it in the Discord. Okay, I don't honestly don't trade Roku too much, but lots of members in the Discord do, and Leon has just been killing it with it, and a lot of people have been making a lot of money with Roku. So if you want to trade with us, use the link in the description below. You can join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. Use code Zachly to get yourself a discount on the membership, and you'll be able to follow all of our trades, the entries and exits from me and the various other admins.